Once you're connected to your server, the first thing you'll see is the File Manager tab. And this is where it gets interesting. You can browse your entire server file system right here in a clean visual interface without writing a single line of command. Every folder, every file, all visible at a glance, just like browsing files on your own computer. Want to upload a file from your local system to the server? Just hit the Upload button. Select your file, and it's done. No SCP commands, no FTP setup, just a simple click. Need to stay organized? Click the Folder button to create a new folder anywhere in your file system, and you can upload files directly inside it as well by clicking Upload button. And if you need to rename, edit, or delete anything, just use the action buttons right below each file or folder, all in the UI, no terminal required. That's the real power of CtrlOps, your entire server file system fully managed through a clean and simple interface. No command line, no complexity, just results.